Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to upload videos to YouTube. So here I have a completely empty Google page, yes. And here I've logged into my Google account. You need to create one to upload videos to YouTube. Next I click on these squares and click on YouTube. There. Here we need to click on your account and then click on YouTube Studio. So now you need to create a channel, choose a profile photo here, right here, come up with a name and, a username. Now click Create Channel. This usually takes a few seconds. Click Continue. There. Now before posting a video on YouTube, of course, familiarize yourself with the platform's rules because there are very strict guidelines you need to follow before uploading, and make sure your video doesn't violate YouTube's community guidelines or YouTube itself. So next I click the upload video button and select the file. So I found a video here. And then comes the actual filling out the video itself. Right? Here you need to write the title. Here you need to write a description. Here you can either add a custom thumbnail or choose one from the ones that YouTube suggests. There, you can also add a playlist here. Yeah, you need to create a new playlist where you can save similar videos or sort them somehow. There. Next you choose who this video is for kids or not, right? Meaning if there's any adult content in the video, you select yes or no. Here we choose whether people over 18 or under 18 can watch your video. Yeah, so these two items are mandatory. You have to select them or you won't be able to post the video. There. Here, select if you have a paid video ad and accordingly choose if your video content was created with artificial intelligence, which shows a person saying something they didn't actually say. Footage, events, or places that don't really exist, and realistic scenes that never actually happened. So choose here based on your situation. Next, if you have a collaboration with another channel, you can add collaborators. Yes, here's automatic chapter division for your video. You can enable it if you're not planning to divide the video into chapters yourself. Automatic key moments and concepts, I usually enable this. It only has a positive effect on the video. If you're not planning to do it manually, of course. That's it. Next, tags. Write your tags here, whatever you want, separated by enter or comma. Both will work. You can also add tags in the description using the hashtag symbol. Like this, see? And you select the tag. Next. Here you choose the video language. This is all optional. Well, choose the language that corresponds to your video. Choose a location here. This is also optional. As far as I remember, caption certification, if you have it, yes. Depending on your legislation, sometimes you need to select it. Here you can choose when it was recorded, the recording date, choose a Creative Commons license or the standard one. Here, do you allow your videos to be embedded somewhere, right? This means that some websites can embed your video. There. Remixes, whether shorts can be made. You also need to choose a category here. Yes. For example, music, enable or disable comments, moderation, and who can comment and how they'll be sorted. Here, add subtitles if needed. Here, YouTube conducts an automatic quick check to see if there's anything that violates copyright. And then you choose private video, who you'll share it with, unlisted or public. I'll choose private here and click save. That's all. This was Velour. Bye everyone.